man. Did you just see that? Woo! 126 watts for $26. How? What is going on? What is up, guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be checking out the $26 Amazon light bar. I'm sick and tired of hitting deer. I'm out in these cornfields and stuff, and they just come running out. The most I've hit in 1 year is 4 deer. 26 bucks. Let's see if it works or if it's a piece of junk. I ordered it, and then just like, it was here. It was only $20. All right, let's go. That's enough. Let's do it. Here is the vehicle we will be putting the light bar on. 2016 Jeep JK. I do have the deer slayer here. This has hit a deer. Took no damage at all. All of these videos are posted. If you want to see the install of this bumper, it's on my channel. If you want to see the install of the winch, it's on my channel. All the accessories, it's on my channel. Check it out. This bumper conveniently came with a place to mount a light bar, which fits perfect. Let me go ahead and, well, before we do that, see these clevises down here? They're rusted, they're busted. That's not my style. We gotta roll right. I went and got 2 new clevises, and I powder coated them myself, which again, on my channel, check it out. I show you how to powder coat yourself in your garage. Just the little details make all the difference. It's got these little slidey things, so you can adjust where it goes. So I'm gonna get that adjusted up. I'll put some Loctite on there, and then we'll mount it to the front first. A fender washer and a locking washer. Time the wire. To access the interior, you pop off this grommet, and then there's a tube that goes down in there. So I just took a coat hanger and fed it right alongside that tube, down in there about 2 feet. Then when you come into your interior, you can take off this panel right here, and you should see your guide wire. There she is. I also think I'm gonna put the switch right about there as well. The wiring kit I got off Amazon as well, $13. Comes with a nice little lit LED light bar thing. Fuse, relay. I'll show you the diagram right here. All right, so I'll mount the relay over there. The positive will go to the positive battery, negative go to the negative battery. There's a fuse in between. This wire here will go up into the cabin for the switch. And then the cool thing about this kit is it comes with 2 leads for wires. So whichever one I don't use, I'm going to put wire nuts on the other end, and I'll go get me some more lights. And then check this out, it came with spades to match the hookups. So I can just take my light, crimp these on. Pretty nice setup for 13 bucks. You start with the light, run it back, keep it nice and neat. Start tucking it away and zip tying it real nice. I like to use electric tape as well. Keep it weatherproof. It's amazing how cheap this stuff is on Amazon. I think you just skip the middleman, you go right to China. Here comes the part I've been dreading. I'm gonna take the switch off the connector, go put that in the car. I'm gonna take this, tape it to my fishing wire, and see if it'll come out that hole. Hopefully it comes right on out. Honestly, I don't think it's gonna go. It's awful big. Give it a shot though. No freaking way. Oh yeah. You know what that calls for? There you go. That's deer country. They're everywhere. Say hi. Say hi. What do we got over here? What do we got over here? Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Say hi. Say hi. Want some Burger King? Where's your brother? Where's your brother? You want some Burger King? Huh? She likes those original chicken sandwiches from Burger King. That's her favorite. That's how she rocks it. What up, girl? Why don't they put a freaking template in these things? Just print it on the box so you can cut it out, make a hole. Luckily, this one's got a little rubber washer back here, so I'm going to take that off to draw out my hole. Time to cut. Get a file and clean that up. I know you won't see it, it's just I'll think about it and I'll know it's not perfect. It'll drive me freaking crazy. One last thing left to do. Apparently it's one last thing is to make the hole a little bit bigger. Hooking the battery back up. You can tighten up these wires here and we'll be done. In shot of the engine bay. A shot of her done from the front. Just gonna do some driving. I've got the regular lights on and the fog lights, that's it. No brights or nothing yet. There's the brights. Alright, it's really dark. Got my brights. And let's try out the bar. Oh man. Oh yeah. I'm loving it. It is sick. It's ill. It's like daytime. Woo! 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 Alright. Brights. Hope nobody comes. I don't want to blind somebody. Oh, this thing's usually pitch black down in here. Oh yeah. Look at this. This is so nice. $26 freaking dollars, bruh. $26, bruh. You gotta get you one. All right, right up here was the last deer I hit. Slated. There's corn and stuff. That's just all corn to the left. And then there's a little space where they come out. They're in the shadows. And then I smashed into it. One about 55. I don't think that's gonna happen as easy with this bad boy on here. Oh man. I'm telling you, $26, you can't beat it. You don't have to buy that wiring kit if you don't want to, but it made it so easy, so nice. Now I've got another place I can put more lights on, ready to go. $26 to plus 13, that's it. That's all it was, and it's amazing. You gotta get you one, man. You got people who say you get what you pay for and stuff, but hey, if it lasts a couple months, if it lasts a year or whatever, $26. $26, that's the price of an Arby's roast beef sandwich. Get you on. Whoa. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, make sure you check the other people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun down there. Make sure you check my channel. There's over 100 more videos, all kinds of Jeep stuff, fun stuff, whatever. I do it all. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.